All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the wasmCloud community meeting for Wednesday, September 6th. I am actually live here from the conference floor. You can look out. It's a little, a little small, but everything is actually happening over there. We've got the Cosmonic / wasmCloud booth. There are tons of other WebAssembly companies here, showing off their thing and talking about the standards, talking about component model. We're actually kind of running a workshop right now for Cosmonic, which is really exciting. And I can share that link in the chat if anybody is interested, in seeing what we're doing there, which includes two examples, one in Rust and one in Go, of the same WebAssembly business logic, but you get to write Go or you get to write Rust to build a WebAssembly component. All deploys the same things like that. So really exciting. I know that we had I tried to preface it a little bit last week that this community meeting would be a little short, probably pretty casual, with me just saying hey and checking in, since we're all kind of here at the conference. I did think about calling in from the booth, but I figured it would just kind of be a little loud. So if I had to demo anything cool today, I think it would have to be this little thing that's attached to my badge. This is a Raspberry Pi Zero. I think it's a 2W, if I check. It's a little machine that's got half a gig of RAM, and it is actually running wasmCloud and connected to, this one specifically is connected to Cosmonic SNATs, but there are a few actors and a GPIO capability provider that can control, that can write out to the screen and mine is not actually set up to use these buttons on here, but Taylor's has him doing something special here. Liam's got a public endpoint that you can curl and it'll display some text on the little screen. So we're all just kind of geeking out about being able to actually run the wasmCloud host on something so small. It was super, super exciting. A lot of this came, kind of came through in like the last day. We did a hackathon to get everybody onto their Raspberry Pi, but I'm sure that we're going to be publishing that capability provider and the stuff there. Who knows? These Raspberry Pi Zeros are actually, I know obviously that that the availability is a hard thing right now, but they're actually generally pretty cheap. So I would love to start doing like giveaways of these Raspberry Pis. That would be a super fun thing. Oh, Justin, so I know I just saw your comment that the Linux Foundation is supposed to be streaming talks to YouTube. There should be ahead of time stream links. Let me see if I can actually go ahead and pull that up. There should be ahead of time stream links for that. Yeah, if you go on their YouTube channel, but the talks actually haven't started quite yet. The morning, this first day morning, is there was like a quick opening remarks and workshops in the morning, but like I believe this one, the keynote is actually going to go live in just a little bit. It doesn't match up exactly for the timestamp. Let's go ahead and actually just take a look at the schedule. We've got the time. So like right now we are running, or Cosmonic is running the workshop. Oh, it was at 9. So napkin sketch to cloud. We've got a couple of, not sure if this one would have been running. Okay, looks like some of the morning talks are just going to be in these grand ballrooms, and then starting with the keynotes here in the afternoon. That's when the live streaming starts. So I didn't actually know that we were going to get started after that, but it'll be after lunch. It looks like that it gets started. I'm actually super excited to go. I hope I can sneak into, where is it? It's supposed to be at 10:15. I just saw it. There it is. Building iOS, Android, and web apps that share a single core. This is from our lovely Stuart Harris. He's going to be giving a talk. Okay, so here in about 40 minutes. I'm hoping to pop into this one, especially since it's not recorded, and see if I can give you all the readout on this one. I tried to harass Stuart into coming on the community screen with me, but he, had a talk coming up soon and wanted to focus on that talk, or whatever they say. I think that's really all that I had officially prepared for today. There's been a lot of work coming up to the conference, so I really appreciate everyone, coming in as we've been heads down. I know I pushed out an update to Wash actually earlier this morning, which just included a fix for Wadham and all that stuff. Vance, the error that you hit is resolved now. So I'm just really excited to come back next week, kind of with a fresh mind, and start really talking about all of the work that we've done for components, start transitioning our examples in the wasmCloud org to be all component based instead of the Smithy models and things like that. Anybody have any questions or comments, things I need to look out for here at the conference? I think that'll do it then. We knew it was going to be a little short, and I think we can go ahead and call it here. Thank you guys for hopping on. I really appreciate it. We'll be back with a